Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today reading is collective reading, the person on your mind. And this is general and this is for all signs. This is general reading, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So this side your person feelings and this side your feelings. So let's see the person on your mind. First card, Two of Swords. So their feelings, first we will see their feelings. This side, who are watching the video, my viewers, this side, and energy could be vice versa. So let's see mutual, what is happening in your relationship right now. Under the deck, Queen of Swords, Five of Cups, Four of Cups, sorry. I think you both are in no contact situation for some. For some, one person cut off the other person in this connection. Yes, one person cutting the other person off. It could be you or other person. And this person is very, very straightforward in nature and this person want best. So let's see. First we will see this side. According to me, this is your person current feelings. So your person is at some crossroads, Two of Swords energy. So they have to make some decision, but they are unable to make. Maybe they're juggling between head over their heart, that type of situation. But they want to communicate with you. They are in rush to communicate. Knight of Swords energy and Ten of Cups. Yes, they want this happiness with you. Maybe they are getting clarity what they want and what they don't want. Yeah, in past maybe there are some crossroads. They are very indecisive, but now they are getting clarity. So for some, definitely you will receive communication from your person and Knight of Swords energy. They are in rush to communicate with you and they want this happiness with you. And then from your side, Five of Swords, Knight of Pentacles and Three of Wands. So you are feeling that your person maybe backstopped on you, cheated on you, lied to you. Definitely there are some disturbances between you and your person. You are in very, very slow moving. Yes, you are very committed to this relationship. Maybe you're still waiting on this person. If you are in separation with this person, you're still waiting on them. Three of Wands energy. You want positive growth in this relationship. You hoping something good in this relationship, and you both are in long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Yes, there are some issues between both of you, but you also still waiting on them and they are rushing to communicate with you and they want enough cups happiness with you. So mutual energies, Sun with Magician. Maybe someone is manifesting other another person in their life, and maybe both are realizing that this relationship is so important for both of you because the Sun card is here. Maybe one person is already realized, but other person is now realizing, and for some children's also involved in this connection. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's clarify Two of Swords. Why is here Two of Swords from your person side? Okay. Star. Yes. So they are confused because they like you. Yes. That's why they're confused and they're thinking about you very positively. If they have option, they're going to be choose you. And why is Knight of Swords is here? Let's clarify Knight of Swords. Five of Wands. Yeah, maybe there is lot of drama going between you and your person, but your person want to give clarity to you because Knight of Swords, they are in rush to communicate with you. So let's clarify Ten of Cups. Why is Ten of Cups is here? The Lovers. Yes, see, they love you and you also love them. Love is there and the person involved in this connection could be Gemini. Definitely your person want to offer their cup of love to you. Yes, they do love you and they want enough cups happiness. They want happy family with you. Wow. So from your side, let's clarify Five of Swords. Yeah, Queen of Pentacles. Now you may be focused on your career because Five of Swords energy. There are some issues between you and your person, and you are very caring and sharing person. You are very honest person. Now you are focusing on your abundance also. So let's clarify Knight of Pentacles. Why is Knight of Pentacles is here? Emperor. Yes, you are now steady and stable. The Emperor. Yes, you are taking your control back. You are working on your abundance. You are working on your self growth. So let's clarify Three of Wands. Why Three of Wands? Let's clarify. Nine of Swords. You are missing them. Yes, if you are in separation, you are missing them and you are waiting for them. Yes. You are not making any more, but you are waiting on them because the Emperor we got. Maybe you have ego problem. Maybe you scared for rejection. Whatever maybe. You are waiting mode. You are missing them. So, one mutual card. Clarification. Yeah, Wheel of Fortune. Things will turn into this connection favor. Definitely, you both are waiting for right time or divine timing. So they are in someone. Definitely, someone is rushing towards you to communicate with you, and they want this happiness with you. And Four of Wands. For some, you both could be soulmates or twin flame journey. Yeah, you both are thinking about each other a lot. Two of Wands, long distance relationship. So from your person side, definitely communication is coming and they want to offer commitment and you also waiting on them. Things will turn out this connection favor because Wheel of Fortune is here. So let's see. One more card from your person side and from your side and one mutual. Future. Wow. Hierophant. Eight of Cups. I think from your side, from your person side, Eight of Cups. Let's clarify Eight of Cups. Knight of Wands. Yes, your person want to leave behind everything that is ego or the arguments happen between both of you. They want to leave behind everything and they want to come forward. Knight of Wands energy and they're very very passionate towards you. And Knight of Swords. Sorry, Eight of Swords. You are feeling stuck. Still you are feeling stuck. And Queen of Cups and King of Cups. See, you both have strong emotions towards each other. You both are couple. Queen of Cups and King of Cups. In one reading, definitely they have strong emotions and you both have so much love towards each other. So in future this relationship definitely going to next level. Maybe for some it will take different times because different amount of times it will take because everyone's situation is different, but someone want to talk to you. It could be a according to your situation it could be a new person, for some it could be a past person, but there is some communication and this person you both have strong emotions towards each other. So let's see some messages from your person and friendship. For some you both are very very good friends and I feel so alone. Reconciliation. I fantasize about you and stability is coming. Yeah, for some your friend may be your person may be putting you in friendship zone. For some you are very very good friends and I feel so alone. Reconciliation and I fantasize about you. Your person is fantasizing about you a lot and they feel so alone without you. Reconciliation and friendship and stability is coming. So this is general reading guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.